Day 85. We got a wet one today. It's pouring rain. It's supposed to rain all day long, so got the poncho on. First time since first week. Nody's suited up. Duke is from Washington, the state, not the capital, so he looks comfortable. But Brittany's gonna meet us later at the hotel, and oh yeah, we also don't know if there's any hotel or Yangi yet, so hopefully there is, but we'll find something, no problem. We got faith.
Nody said it's like roll cake. Look at it, man. Raw power. Let's get closer.
These bags, pretty useless, so my socks are soaked.
Kyle's worst fear.
I think this is my least favorite thing in the world. Putting on wet socks. It's a terrible feeling.
Yeah, lukewarm bath. So moist.
So the Yangi was out of rooms, unfortunately, but they were very friendly, and they called one of their friends who is going to rent out a room to us. Nody-san? We got a bed, or we got a room, 2 beds, so we're happy. Duke's in the shower. Another success.